So this is question 2 from the 2016 Leaving Cert Foundation Level Paper 1. Part A. The side of a square is 8 centimeters. 6 of these squares have been put together to form the shape shown in the diagram below. Find the length of the perimeter of the shape. Okay, so if we're finding the perimeter, we want the distance around all the edges of the shape. We want all 4 sides, the length around all 4 sides. That's what perimeter is. Okay, so the first one we've got 8, 8, 8. So we've got 3 8s plus 2 8s down here, 8 there and 8 here. Then we've got the same along the bottom here, another 3 8s, same as the top. And another 2 8s up the side. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, that's 10 8s altogether. And 10 8s is 80. And just watch out for your units, this is in centimetres, so the perimeter, the distance around the edge is 80 centimetres. Part B says, the 6 squares are rearranged as shown. Find the length of the perimeter of this new shape. Okay, so across the top here, we've got 4 8s. Then we go down the side. We've got 3 8s. Across the bottom here, you've got 1 8. We go up this little bit here. That's another 2 8s. Across here then, that's 3 8s. And then finally, back up to where we started, it's another 8. So plus 8 or plus 1 8. So altogether we have 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus another 1. So that is 7, 8, 10, 13, 14 8s altogether. That's equal to 14 8s. And 14 8s, 8 4s is 32. Carry the 3. 8 1s is 112. You can do that in the calculator. That's 112 centimetres for part 2. Part B says the surface area of a sphere is given by the formula A equals 4 pi r squared, where r is the radius of the sphere. Taking pi as 3 and r as 2, estimate the surface area of the sphere in the diagram. Okay, so we put this into our calculator, 4 by 3 by 2 squared. And that gives us 48. Now if it's surface area, that will be 48 centimetres squared. Okay, part 2 says the actual radius of the sphere in the diagram is 1.9. Okay, so not 2, it's actually 1.9. Taking pi as 3.142 and r is 1.9, find a more accurate estimate for the surface area of the sphere. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, well the area of a sphere is 4 times, instead of 3, we take pi now as 3.142. 3.142. And then we multiply that by 1.9 squared. The radius squared, which is 1.9. And then we put that in our calculator. And the answer we get is 45.37048. But they did say to round it correct to 1 decimal place. So we want to round it to 1 decimal place. So we underline that and we look to the right. Does that 7 change this 3? And the answer is it does. So that's approximately equal to 45.4 centimeters squared. So 45.4 is a better estimate for the surface area of this sphere, 45.4 versus 48. And finally, part 3 says find the difference between your answers in part B1 and part B2. Okay, well part B1 was 48 and part B2 was 45.4. So if we're finding the difference between them, it means we subtract them. And that gives us a difference of 2.6 centimeters squared. That's the difference between the two surface areas. And that's the end of question 2.